miles an
I
hour.
like this protein stuff.
Sunday, mostly sunny in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-50s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour.
What the heck?
Sunday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. A 40% chance of showers. Lows
What
in
the
the upper
heck? Oh my
30s.
god, this is
South winds around 5
ILN
miles an hour,
big
becoming
time.
northeast after midnight.
In the sense
Monday,
unrecognized
mostly
header.
cloudy with a 40% chance of rain. Highs in the upper 40s. North winds around 10 miles an hour. Monday night, mostly cloudy in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. A 20% chance of rain.
Guys,
Lows in the lower 30s.
WXC 93 just broke.
10 miles
Say this
an hour.
broke. It's an unrecognized
Tuesday
header.
through Wednesday night, partly cloudy. Highs in the upper 40s.
Look.
Lows in the upper 20s. Thursday, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-50s.
Yeah,
Thursday night,
wasn't. It was
mostly
mine.
cloudy. A chance of rain
Everything's
in the evening,
unrecognized.
then rain likely after midnight. Warmer with lows in the upper 40s. Chance of rain
Unrecognized,
60%.
that's what it was.
Friday and Friday
No
night,
message.
rain, windy. Highs in the mid-60s.
They were sending,
Lows in the mid-40s.
header tones. They just
Chance
sent
of rain,
random header
80%.
tones out of nowhere.
Saturday,
I believe it was
partly
a
cloudy.
stretched header
A
tone.
chance of rain in the morning. Breezy with highs in the upper 50s. Chance of rain 50%.